This is my 5th and final hive. Let's see how this one's doing. Might need to add a little more stuff to the smoker here. Add a little bit just to get it going. Keep it going, rather. All right. Alright, they hadn't done anything to their pollen patty, but their feeder is empty. So we're gonna, it is covered in ants. That is not good. Okay, so we are going to take out the feeder. I'm going to put a fresh one in. I've got some clean ones. That's what I'm doing with this. All right, get the smoke going. Quick inspection of these guys. Nothing on that frame. Empty honey. That frame's got a pretty good bit of honey on it. That's a pretty good supply for them. Good stuff. That frame is really heavy. It's like it's mostly honey. I don't see any horrible stuff like we did in number 3, I guess it was. Alright. Hey, good deal. We got brood and larvae in this one. I was a little worried about this hive because I have not seen any brood or larvae in here, but there are some. So that is an improvement over last week. That is great. I didn't see a lot, but I saw, oh, there's our queen. I just lost her. Is that a queen or is that a drone? I don't know. I think that's just a drone. That's not our queen. I got too excited there. Let's see. That's mostly honey. So she's not producing much, the queen, but there are some eggs in there, so that's better than nothing. These are really heavy frames of honey, so at least it's healthy. Given that this is a kind of a relatively weak hive though, I'm gonna go ahead and feed them anyway. There's a bunch of dead bees in this honey over here. They're not cleaned out. I guess they must have gotten kind of squished whenever I put that feeder in and made it a single frame. So I'm gonna turn it around and see if they'll clean out their own stuff in there. I'm not gonna do much else with it. So that's good. All in all, this looks all right. So that's the situation with my bees. Hopefully it was a useful video. Thank you guys.